In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and use Adobe fonts in Photoshop. By the end, you'll know exactly how to activate a font from Adobe and apply it to your text in Photoshop with confidence. Start by opening the Creative Cloud desktop app. This is the hub that manages your Adobe apps and your fonts, and it's what keeps everything in sync behind the scenes. If you're prompted to update or sign in, go ahead and do that so the font services can run smoothly. You'll see an area dedicated to fonts inside Creative Cloud. This is where you'll manage everything related to Adobe fonts. From here, go to the fonts section, or if you prefer using a browser, visit fontsadobe.com. Both paths lead to the same library, so choose whichever feels more convenient. Browse or search for the font you want. You can filter by categories like serif, sans serif, script, or display, and you can preview with your own text to see how it will look in your design. This is helpful for checking readability at different sizes or seeing how specific characters render before you commit. When you found the right typeface, activate it. Click the Activate button or toggle next to the font or specific styles you need, such as regular, bold, or italic. Activation adds the font to your account and syncs it to your devices through Creative Cloud. It usually takes just a few seconds, but if you have a slower connection, give it a moment. You don't need to install anything manually. Adobe handles that for you. Once it's activated, you'll see confirmation that the font is ready to use. Now open Photoshop, select the Text tool, also known as the Type tool, from the toolbar, or press T on your keyboard. With the tool active, go to the font drop down in the options bar at the top. Start typing the name of the font you just activated, and it should appear in the list. Choose the exact style you activated, adjust the size, color, and tracking as needed, and then click on your canvas to start typing. If you like to fine-tune typography, the character panel gives you additional controls for leading, kerning, and more. If the font doesn't show up right away, wait a few moments for Creative Cloud to finish syncing. Make sure the Creative Cloud app is running and you're connected to the internet. You can also try closing and reopening Photoshop to refresh the font list. That's it. You've activated a font from Adobe Fonts and used it in Photoshop.